Hello guys, this is my V1 bike check. Start at the top, I have 15 grips, really comfortable, and United Squad bars in Aqua, red S&M Little Redneck stem, and right here I have, on two sides I have S&M, regular S&M colored bolts. Front ones are just black because they got stripped, so I just put new ones in. S&M frame. It is the rusty brown frame. It's pretty new, but it'll go and snap. So, United Squad forks in cherry red. Frame's black. What was it? Eastern Nitrous front rim set. This is a set because I'm getting a new front hub, the tree hub, because I like it. Two fit white wall. Green. I don't know. Wall tires. That's what I'm just gonna call it. Wall tires. I don't know what color it is. 1 second. I have to look at it. Ouch. Stolen mob cranks in black. Eastern crown pedals in blue. United Squad seat clamp. United Slim. What was it? United Slim seat. And they're both in white. I don't know what brand my chain is. I just got it at this bike shop where I live. I don't know what kind of crank it is. Chain. Purple Ripsaw Profile Racing Ripsaw sprocket. It's really nice. 1664 back bolts in purple. It's kind of complicated because I have to name everything on my back here. I'm just aftermarket. Eastern bidirectional back hub in purple. Eastern directional driver. If you want to buy it like at transition, because everything on my bike's at transition, if you do want to buy the bidirectional driver at transition, it is $89 for sure. It's pretty expensive, but mine comes stock in it, so. Second expensivest one there. Black Maraway spokes. Silver Maraway nipples. They are the same brand, but they didn't come in a pack. I changed nipples because my old ones were getting kind of stripped because I switched it out my rim. My old one was just a gay orange rim. 1664 purple rim. And United headset. So it's just United headset. I think that's it. Well, bam.